Characters as principal, madam, teaching and non-teaching staff, and all my dear friends. Good morning, everyone. My name is Halima Sadia. I am studying LKG. Independence Day is celebrated in India every year on 15 August. On this day in 1947, India got freedom from British rule. Other freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Abdul Kalam Azad, and many others. We love our India. We are proud to be Indians.